not natural.
With my dick, she can get up. Spoke about a thought. If you want it, we can get up. Fall down on the floor, will it take it, have to get up. Bitch, for my root, what she wants, she can't beat it up. Drippin' no the soup, chop a cook, but cook this shit up. I don't want no love, bitch, I'm trying to fit a nut. Now I bullets blue, blood, bitch, yeah, they cripped up. But I don't want my blood, swear to God, we gon' rip some. I'm a world rat, if I want it, I'ma get some. Got my fingerprints on some hollow to shawty left, so talk about buying that shit. We gon' leave some, fuck shooting one time, yeah, we gon' rip some. She drinks lemonade, I drink vodka, juice on a minute, man. Come and get some.
Give her a little cracker. Cracker. Ah, whoa, too much pepper.
Ben! Horse to water. She can't make it
Fucking drink it.
Lucas, we are disappointed. We're not angry. We're just thoroughly disappointed in you.
Say, stop holding our friend back.
Down to Berlin Street.
Fuck this stupid fucking GPS. We made it.
Oh. Hey, heads up, bud. Where are the fried Oreos at?
What are bugs, but you're not supposed to touch a rabbit.
Why? Oh.
They're mean as hell.
Got turkey in here.
They are locked up in this small ass cage.
Look at all these birds.
Holy cow.
No, we've been walking around about 20 minutes. No fried Oreos in sight.
Broke the budget to come here.
$15 to get in here.
Not getting much of a reward.
Drove 45 minutes here.
Just wait till we find the fried Oreos, baby.
It's not gonna happen. Warm up.
I can't believe that. What the fuck does that matter if I'm buying one for $2?
You
kidding me?
You got one for tomorrow.
No. We probably should put.
Contacting Arizona Iced Tea because they're charging $2 for an Arizona.
It's really shit. It's not how it used to be. It's like school pizza.
At the store.
Not funny. It's like it's natural. It has to happen naturally. Like now you're recording. You're forcing it. Oh, fuck, that stinks.
Filler, bust one.
I can't. It's not natural.
There were no Oreos at the fair. We're making our own. The fair was probably charging like $12 for these. Said, Mom, I want fried Oreos. Oh, we got fried Oreos at home. Oh. Wow. This one's got a little tail. Wow, you made a mess. You made a mess.
The next day.
Fuck yeah. Oh, I mean, frick yeah.
We got about let me see the route.
11 o'clock.
We got about a 2-hour, 47-minute drive. Can have a nice, easy, smooth ride. Clean State, woody hoo!
Okay, we made it to Springfield. We're gonna put in back roads and make the rest back roads. Just to stop. Cheers!
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes?
Go in the bathroom. Sir, it's just me and you in here. Do you need help in here? What do you do? Wow, you're. This is good. This is good footage. Oh. Oh, that smelled good. Why did he just continue to walk? Why did he just continue to walk in, bro? Wait, I got that on camera. I wonder what's the...
Yeah, I am scared of heights.
Really?
Yeah, a lot of it. A lot of it, actually.
You gonna finish this?
Yeah, don't. Okay, guys, we made it here. So we're just waiting to get the yard.
I'm filming.
Okay, guys.
Yo, Keene State, baby.
Some fucking friends I have.
Oh, that's the phone.
Jersey
Ooh la la. Where's Frankie at?
Frankie, where you at? Okay, now get off of me.
Frankie down there?
No, he's not. Get off. Get off.
Hey. I don't know what's happening. I'm not gonna lie. All of these children.
What's going on?
This dude doesn't even lie.
This is my audible sigh.
The next day.
Just stopped at this gas station. Got an hour left. Oh, you're spraying. You're spraying. Oh my god. How do we get into? Oh my god. I'm picking up so much shit. You gonna hit me? You gonna hit me? Started raining on us. Help me, man. Fuck. It's fucking raining.
Taking refuge in this abandoned ass mall.
I
don't think it's a good one.
It's squishing a little. There we go.
Bitch tryna get wiped, but my dick, she can't get up. Spoke about a thought, if you want it, we can get up. Fall down on the boat, but the tech ain't have to get up. Bitch for my root, when she walk, she can't get in nut. Drippin' no the soup, chopper cook, but cut the shit up. I don't want no love, bitch, I'm tryna quit a nut. Now I pull a